Hey guys, d-piddy here, and we have another sneaker unboxing. So for those who've seen me outside of costume, walking around like, you know, in normal clothing, probably notice I love bright colored shoes. I have a whole bunch of neon colored, bright colors that I wear on my feet. For instance, I have these Nike Air Max 90s, neon edition. These came out only in Japan. And Zoom X Vaporfly Nexus, which are like super bright green. So yeah, I love wearing bright colors on my feet. Also, if you know me, not only do I love wearing bright colors on my feet, I also love the color pink. So there's that. So these pair of shoes are no exception. I actually had to ask my friend to get them from Japan because these are Japan exclusives. So shout out to my boy Akasan. He is another YouTuber. He does mainly reaction videos and reviews and stuff. Some anime, but mainly comic book movies and television shows. He's based in Tokyo, Japan. And luckily for me, he was going to New York Comic Con, which I was also at this past weekend. And he was like, yo, if there's anything in Japan that you want, hit me up. And I was like, boy, there is something that just released last week. And if you could get these shoes for me, I would be really appreciative of that. So if you want to give him a follow, this is his YouTube link right here. Like I said, he covers a lot of comic book, movies, television shows, and anime like My Hero and all that stuff. So give him a follow. He's a really great guy. And yeah.
Dick slag.
Alright. So yeah, as you can see, they are a bright pink and black shoe. So it basically matches what I'm wearing right now. Totally planned.
On Wednesdays we wear pink.
Let's pop this out of here and box. These are the shoes. So you can see here, it's primarily black with some pink accents. And lining outside of it. So pink on the inside, black and pink on the outside. The bottom is really nice. There's pink on the inner sole here, and the little air sockets here. There's pink inside, and on the back, there's pink all through the inside. The sole and the inside is pink with the Nike Air logo. When it comes to like Air Max 95s, you usually see like different colors from like going in like this on the outside, and it follows through the inside. And not too many where like the other side of the shoe is a completely different color, which is really, really cool. So some details, the shoelace holes here are also neon pink, and out here there's a nice black mesh that goes all around the side to the front, and continues around here. The materials here are a nubuck leather. So the warning, I guess, is that the pink here is probably gonna get really dirty. So be careful. Do not wear this in like the dirt, or if you're going hiking or whatever. I just noticed you can't really tell through pictures because I've been seeing this on like Atmos Japan's Instagram and stuff, and that's when I originally noticed these. And it's gonna be, if you get this part dirty, it's probably gonna be really hard to clean. But yeah, everything else is pretty standard Air Max 95s. But yeah, the pink on the side it might be a little hard to clean. Other than that, it's pretty cool. I really love the pink stitching all around, and then the black stitching over here for contrast. That's pretty sick. Yeah, Air Max pink, because I like pink. I also need to cut my fingernails. That's really gross. I don't know what else to really say, except if you like pink and you like black, these shoes are pretty cool. They stand out a lot, mainly because of the bright pink, the neon bright pink on the inner part of the shoe here. So yeah, I'm gonna go put them on. So yeah, these are super comfy. If you have a pair of Air Max 95s, and you probably know already. But ooh, I think they look pretty nice on me. Now I'm gonna end. I think that's it for the unboxing. Now I will end the review with a nice 360 look at these sneakers. Thanks for watching, guys.
ready?